Book 5. Big Cars and Little Cars. Look! Here is a car. It is a good car. It is big. It is red. I like that red car. Here we have a car. It is a little toy car for Tommy. Now, Tommy has the little blue car. My little toy car is blue. I like blue. Tommy can play in the big red car. He likes to be in it. Now, Meg is in the red car too. She has a doll to play with. Jesus is in the big car too. Good. He loves to be here with you and me. He loves to have a good time. Look! Jesus is with all of the children. They can all play with the blue toy car for a time. It is fun to play with that toy. All of the friends are happy to be in the big red car. You can come out of the big red car now, Meg. She comes out. Come out with that little blue car, Tommy. He comes out now, too. Book